guys, this is a video of that MTD lawnmower burnt to a crisp, part 2. The first video didn't have any commentary, so yeah. This is an MTD LT 542. Well, at least that's the model I'm going to use to find parts, because I have no idea what the actual model is. It's LT 540 something, I don't know. Here it is. I got the chassis. I did some body work on the chassis. It looks horrible, doesn't it? But the reason why is because I sanded this for hours and hours, but just wouldn't smoothen down. And plus, there was like a thick layer of leaves that were pretty much a part of it that just stuck to it really well. So that was not easy to remove. That part is looking much better now. Burnt engine thing. Engine cover from foot. See, this part here turned out looking pretty good. I mean, when I get a hood, I'll just cover up that part. Here's the hood. I don't even know if I'd call it that anymore. I'd call it more of a just tinfoil piece of metal. That is not really worth anything. I'm just keeping it for reference. So when I get a new hood, I know what kind of brackets I need and what I need to save up for. Take a look at this dashboard, which I marked an X on it because this is completely useless. I just have it for reference. Look at that. Yeah. Just remove this John Deere seat, which again, I'm not keeping this. It really doesn't have a tear, but it's the wrong color and it's not even the same size for this kind of lawnmower, so. Yeah, that's the first update. Another update, well, it's not really an update, but something I want to tell you. The transaxle is still buried somewhere over here. See, now the chassis was buried here, the other parts were buried here too, but the transaxle, I know it's somewhere over here. So I just need to wait till that gets dug up, and then I'll have a transaxle and I'll finally be able to move on from doing the body work. And I've been doing that for the past few days, just sanding it down and clearing it up as much as I could. So yeah, looks like it's probably gonna rain, as always. Yeah, that was just the transmission. This is a speed change of some sort, and the deck lever, that's missing. I don't know where that is. Yeah. One part I didn't show you was the seat bracket, which I'm not going to replace because it's in one piece. I mean, it's burnt, but who cares? It's still nice and strong, and it's not chipping into pieces. And something I need to replace is also these two brackets that mounted this. Now, the reason I haven't done any body work on that, the reason why I haven't painted that is because there's no point doing it now. Maybe when I get the brackets for the seat, I might paint that. Or maybe I just won't paint it at all. I don't know. And I also need a new seat, as I said, so what's the point, really? These rims, those are also going to be reused. It's just getting those cleaned up and sanded out. Oh, gross. Way too much work, look at that. Yeah, but I'm still reusing them because they're in one piece and they're very solid. This tire doesn't even fit the rim, so it's useless now. There's some blades under there that I think are from a push mower, probably. So yeah. And just want to tell you this thing caught fire. This is a burnt lawnmower. It's not a rotten one. I mean, it is rotten, but it rotted because it burned. It didn't rot over time. It just, okay, you get it. This thing caught fire. The entire thing burned up. And here I am trying to bring it back to life. Yeah. Just need that transit, so please ignore the piece of board that's reinforcing it. So if I was kind of out of ideas of how I was going to reinforce that frame, so I just stuck a piece of board there so it wouldn't snap in two. Yeah. Still a lot more to be found. Hopefully I'll find some steering parts along the way, because check the steering for this lawnmower. It's completely missing. The only thing I was able to get and put back on was this back part, this entire red piece, and this little bracket which held up the hood, the muffler, and probably some of the steering parts, and also the muffler filter. So those are minor parts. Like, what I need to focus on now is rebuilding the body. So I need a dashboard and a hood. Then after I've identified where I'm going to get my parts, I'm going to need to save up a lot of money, like a whole lot of money, to buy those parts. Most likely I'll buy them used and just attach them to this. Now, the goal of this project is obviously to get the lawnmower working, but that's not the only goal. The other goal is to use as many of the burnt parts as possible, just to prove that some things, just some things, can be repaired, no matter how bad the damage is. So yeah. This was This was Safety Cat 5. Thanks for watching. And before I end the video, there's one more thing I want to talk about. I am not becoming a lawnmower channel again, simply because that didn't really do so well the first few times when I started doing lawnmower videos. It's just, this is a little side project. Like, not a single thing has been happening with the ceiling fans. The most that has happened is just cleaning up the closet that I store them in. That's it. And none of you want to see that. So, until then, you'll be getting videos of this. And I'll try and keep a balance of ceiling fan videos and lawnmower videos. And I'll also try and do some more best hit remakes. What, I forgot what they're called. When you redo a video of a ceiling fan that got a lot of views, like the Panasonic ceiling fan upstairs, that got a lot of views. I might do a remake of that. So yeah. Oh, that's all I really have to say. Not much else. So yeah, thanks for watching. This is Safety Cat 5. Bye. First, let me get a thumbnail shot. Right, that's pretty good.